Have you ever looked at an old wooden dresser and wondered what stories it could tell? Hidden beneath faded paint and worn edges lies timeless beauty waiting to shine again. Today, we're restoring forgotten treasures into charming farmhouse centerpieces. Join Decorivka as we discover how patience, craftsmanship, and love can transform vintage furniture into heirloom pieces your family will cherish forever. Every vintage piece deserves a careful beginning. Before lifting a paintbrush, inspect the furniture for loose joints, scratches, or water damage. Gentle cleaning with mild soap removes decades of dust while preserving character. Instead of hiding imperfections, appreciate them. Those tiny dents and worn corners are beautiful reminders that authentic farmhouse style celebrates history, resilience, and everyday family memories. Now comes the magic of restoration. Light sanding smooths rough surfaces while protecting beautiful wood grain beneath old finishes. Choose warm, neutral paint colors or natural wood stains that complement timeless farmhouse interiors. Replace outdated hardware with antique brass or matte black pulls. Small updates create elegant transformations without erasing the furniture's unique personality and vintage charm. Styling restored furniture brings your vision to life. Place a weathered cabinet beneath vintage artwork, decorate with woven baskets, ceramic pitchers, fresh greenery, and soft linen textiles. Layering natural textures creates warmth that feels welcoming instead of perfect. Farmhouse decorating isn't about expensive pieces, it's about creating a home filled with comfort, authenticity, and meaningful collected treasures. Every restored piece tells a story of renewal, reminding us that beauty grows richer with time. Vintage furniture isn't simply decoration, it's history given a second chance. By restoring instead of replacing, you create a home that feels deeply personal, warm, and timeless. Thank you for joining Decor, where every cherished treasure inspires a more beautiful life.